all panelists and participants of Youth Ecclesia, a panel discussion. Today's discussion is special. One, the topic is so contemporary. It is so persistent in today's scenario. Second reason is we have among us distinguished panel to contemplate on the topic of our discussion. So, with so much ado, let me introduce our august panelists. Though I must add, they do not require any introduction. All of them are star work in their respective fields, and it's my privilege to interact with them. Our first panelist is Ms. Radhika Suri, the Director of Environment Education, WWF India.
Thank you so much for having me, Shireen. It's a pleasure to be here.
The second panelist for the day is Ms. Ritu Jaiswal, Mukhya of Gram Panchayat, Singhwani, Bihar. Welcome, Rituji.
Thank you so much.
We are honored to have with us Ms. Beena Agrawal, economist and professor, to participate in this discussion.
Thank you so much, Shireen.
Thank you, ma'am. The next panelist doesn't require any introduction. Ms. Arundhati Roy, book prize winner, novelist, and an activist.
Thank you so much for having me over here.
I would also like to welcome Ms. Rubika Liaquat, my friend, Indian news anchor, presenter, and journalist.
Thank you so much, Shireen. It's my pleasure to be over here.
Last but not the least, to add glamour to our panel, the beautiful Dia Mirza, Miss Asian Pacific title winner 2000, actress, and an environmental activist.
Thank you, Shireen. It's such an honor to share this amazing platform with such big names.
I welcome you all once again. Let's commence with today's discussion. When I was assigned the topic, the dialogue for a very sweet animated movie, Ratatouille, popped in my head. Remy the rat is having a conversation with his dad, Sango. Dad, shitting Remy, an aspiring chef, answered, Remy, is nature, Dad, the part we can influence, and it starts when we decide. With this idea, I would like to ask Miss Arundhati, what is her point on the view?
Well, Shireen, I am a propagator of change. I firmly believe that change is nature. I know for a fact that nature is changing. It is indeed irony or ironies that a consensus building that climate change is the world's biggest single largest security challenge. Increasingly, the vocabulary around it is being militarized, and no doubt very soon its victims will become the enemies in the new war without the end.
Well, that's a provoking idea.
I really agree with her, Shireen.
Indeed. Miss Ritu, what would you like to say about the topic?
I would say that if you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. I quote Venn Dyer. When you begin to shift your perspective, the very things around you that seem to be so stressful tend to look a little brighter. For instance, it was for the first time that on 6 May 2020, I had the first glimpse of the mighty Mount Everest from my village. I realized that nature is balancing itself. The mountains close to Nepal were sometimes seen in clear weather after the rain. The first sight of the original Himalayas came from our village. So for me, yes, COVID-19 brought a whole new perspective.
Very
Thanks,
well
Rituji.
said, Rituji.
That's amazing
Indeed,
that you
yeah.
could review the view of Himalayas from your village. Now, I would like to ask Beena ji, shall we be afraid of changes or shall we embrace it?
Hey, Shireen, it's a simple and beautiful reminder that whether we like it or not, the world is constantly changing. We can either stick to our old ways while the world evolves around us, or we can be a part of and positively influence that change. The secret of change is to focus all your energy not on fighting the old, but on building the new. You can choose your life to be limitless in its breadth and depth, a life expended in all its beauty by a ceaseless and relentless pursuit, always moving from the as is to your dreams and passion for what can be.
What a beautiful thought, Miss Agrawal.
Absolutely. I totally agree with you, Miss Agarwal.
Shane, I'd like to add on what Veena just said. We should accept and adapt to changes wholeheartedly. Now look at the current scenario. The world is grappling with the pandemic. Yet for me, 2020 holds a unique position in the world. This year, the global community is preparing to make path-defining choices for the future of our planet.
I'd like to
Very
add
true.
here, Dia, that indeed many in the sustainability movement are now referring to 2020 as an environmental super year. From what could be a once in a lifetime win for our ocean, to accelerated climate action, to a new global framework to protect nature from collapse. The decisions we make in 2020 would very well determine whether we achieve the sustainability goals for 2030 or not.
Very well said. 2030 would indeed be a determining year whether we could attain the 2030 goals or not. Rupika, what
Exactly.
benefit do you think human beings derive from relationship with nature? And how is this relationship changing with technology?
All right. So, Shireen, I'm a firm believer of the fact that nature is necessary for our physical as well as psychological well-being. Interacting with nature teaches us to live in relation with the other, not in domination over the other. You don't control the birds flying overhead, or the mountain, or the moon's rising, or the bear walking where it would be like to walk. In my appraisal, one of the overarching problem of the world today is that we see ourselves living in domination over rather than in relation with other people and with the natural world.
Yes, I totally agree
Very
with
well
you,
said.
Rupika.
Very well said, Ms.
I
Rupika.
even agree with Rupika. We humans are only a portion of this earth. The onus of
Yeah,
protecting
exactly.
it and destroying it depends on us. I hope you all agree with me.
Yes.
Definitely.
Not
Yeah,
agree.
yeah, for sure.
The problem is the topic is vast and sadly the time is short. We all agree to the concept that yes, change is nature. Change happens. The only thing that is promised in life is change. Change can be a great thing. I would like to conclude this discussion with Shishali's book.